Here we want to try some copy and paste tools from elevation to elevation in Revit. Revit has its own proprietary clipboard inside of Windows. So when you do copying and pasting, it's only really within Revit's own little copy and paste world. So notice I'm going to go from left to right and front to back on these first couple because I'm dimensioning to grid lines and level lines, which will show up in the opposite elevation. So I'll grab those dimensions and I'll just go here, copy to clipboard, or I can do Control C. Then I can switch over to another elevation, paste, and say align to current view. Boom. Now that worked because I'm looking back in the opposite direction. Okay, now I can go back to here if I want, grab this string of dimensions that are going to my levels, copy, switch over to here. Watch, it's going to be on this side. Paste to current view, right? Over by grid line 1, right? I was over by grid line 1. Let's do the same with the front and the back. Here I'm in the back. Watch, I'll grab this, and I'll grab the one that's over by grid line A. And then I'll say copy to clipboard. Then I'll switch to my front view. Okay, grid A already has one, so let's delete that because I'm going to have another one coming in. Watch, paste to current view. There we go. Now maybe I just have some text. Watch. Let's go to here. And where is it? Let's go to, maybe it's in the rear. It is here. Grab this piece of text. I'm just going to go Control C on the clipboard. Watch. And then I'm going to go to here and say Control V, paste. Go to here, Control V, paste. Go to here, Control V, paste. So different ways of copying and pasting from elevations.